Yesterday, for Jasmy holders, I put out a video that was talking about how Jasmy could have a big explosion in this bull market. And I talked about how many Jasmy tokens, or really how much money you'd need in Jasmy to be a Jasmy millionaire. And the bad news is Jasmy has fallen lower since that video, just slightly. And it's looking like it even wants to come lower. The good news is if you're bullish on Jasmy, and you believe, like I do, that in this bull market, which I think we still have about 200 days left of, you're going to have potentially, if this dip comes, some big red candles to buy the dip on. Buy low, sell high is the best strategy you can do in any market, especially in the crypto market. If you get double-digit retracements on a coin that you have conviction on, you buy those dips. When the market turns back around, and I've got some key targets I want to talk for you, where the bottom for Jasmy could be and where we could turn back around, you can make some very good gains, very quick gains in crypto. The best news about this is if you want to become a Jasmy millionaire like we talked about yesterday, well, if Jasmy price gets lower and you're buying that dip, you need less money to put into it to get a better chance of becoming that millionaire. Yesterday, I was talking about if Jasmy went up to $1, from the 3-cent level, that's a 30x, and then you'd need, approximately $33,000 in Jasmy to become a millionaire from a 3.3 cent level with a $30,000 investment. Well, if Jasmy comes down to some of my targets, which are, yes, about a 50% retrace from here, well, guess what? Potentially with 15K, if Jasmy goes to $1, and I talked about this yesterday, you could become quite happy with your Jasmy position and potentially make $1 million if it goes to $1. If it goes to 50 cents and you got 15K in it at a 1.5 cent level, well then, you know what? You could make like 500K. So, these are some of the equations we talk about. Let's look at some targets, guys, and talk about Jasmy in this video. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. I know that those numbers that I talk about, not everybody has that amount of money to put in crypto. I know a lot of people only have a couple, a little bit of their money in. Some people are like all-in people. Whatever you have in terms of a crypto portfolio, you can make some money in this bull market. The key is, no matter if you're going for $1 million or a couple $1,000, is to take profit, to buy low, to sell high. And right now, there's a little bit of fear. There's a little bit of profit taking, and some people are anticipating that we're falling lower. Here's a couple reasons why. Looking at the Jasmy chart, we're currently at that 3.3 cent level. Yesterday, we were at like 3.3. We were at like 3.36, like 3 cents, 0.36. We're a little bit lower today. We looked like we were having a reversal. And here's why I was talking about a potential reversal. Because we saw some resistance here on the Bitcoin dominance chart. But the warning was, if this daily candle comes up into this range, things could turn the other way for Jasmy, which is good because it gives you more discounts. The other reason right now I'm warning of some downside is because Bitcoin looks like it might want to come back down to somewhere around the $85,000 level because it's rejecting off the bottom of a range that it kind of broke through the other day. The total market cap also is trying to maybe bounce off this previous high we had back in November of 2021 and have some daily candle closes off the top of this range. Now, what does that mean for Jasmy? Well, if you look at the Jasmy chart, we already had a wick down to the 2.8 cent level yesterday. And if you kind of look to this area where we broke out, there's a word where we come and revisit basically this point of breakout, basically the bottom of these areas kind of right here where we've had many bounces for Jasmy in the past. I would be surprised if Jasmy fell below these levels. It could have some, at best, down here to some of these wicks, but somewhere around this level. What I'm warning you of today is the chance that Jasmy could, yes, potentially have a 50% move to the downside. Doesn't have to be that, guys. What we could see potentially is maybe it only dips down to some of these other previous wicks that we had here, here. Maybe only a 25% move. That's still a big move. That is altcoin markets for you. The reason why that's not shocking to me nor upsetting to me is because if you look from November 4th only to December 6th, that's 1 month, Jasmy went up 3.8x, almost a 4x for Jasmy in 32 days. And so if it comes down 32% over a couple days, this shouldn't shatter anybody's world. What this should do for long-term believers and long-term holders, if you, like I, believe that we've got more bull market left. The biggest thing I've been saying, and I say it in a lot of videos, but I always want to rehash this out and remind everybody, from the bottom to the tops of bull markets, guys, from the 2018 lows to the 2021 highs, bull markets last about 1,000 days. We are only about, this stretch right here is about 700 and something days. We've got about 200 days left in this bull market. Jasmy coin has a lot of time left. And when you really zoom out and you start to think about where Jasmy's been in the past, it's been at 37 cents. I've got other charts where you can look at it and you can see that it's actually been a lot higher in the past. There's some charts that bring it all the way up to $5. I don't think that's a realistic target. What I do think is a realistic target is the $3 level, the 50-cent level that I've talked about, and the dollar level. I'd like to see us break through 30 cents, then to 50 cents, and then potentially to $1. Now, if you buy, again, at that 0.015, that 1.5 cent level, and it goes to $1, guys, that is almost a 100x. If it goes to a cent and it goes to $1, that is 100x. You've got incredible buying opportunities as this thing is dipping down. Zooming out, you realize, okay, this is very all small action in the short term. Why are we calling this again? Bitcoin looks like it's coming back down, wants to maybe test off 85. Total market cap probably wants to get some daily candle closes off of 3 trillion. I'm not saying 100% that Jasmy going to crash here. And that's the same true as yesterday, where I was not saying that 100% Jasmy was going to bounce. I was saying that, if Bitcoin can get back above the range, which it didn't, and if Bitcoin dominance can stay below this range, which it still is, but it's teasing like it wants to go higher, then Jasmy could get a recovery. Unfortunately, that is not what we're seeing, and this total market cap is making it look like the total market wants to go a little lower, have a bullish retest confirmation off this level before continuing to the upside. Is there a world where this stops right here and we continue back up? There is, which is why trading can be risky. Trading can also be very fruitful. If you want to trade Jasmy coin for yourself, you could sign up using our link down below for Blowfin, up to a $5,000 deposit bonus when you do sign up, and 10% discounts for life when you sign up using our link on trading fees if you sign up. So check it out. Be careful, guys. I do see that there's potential downside right now for Jasmy, for the total market. That could turn around if Bitcoin turns up again. But Bitcoin dominance is right now a little spooky. If Bitcoin dominance wicks higher, then Jasmy's coming down. If Bitcoin dominance stays below this, well, then we could see a move back to the upside for Jasmy. I still think these are good discounts because if you think about it from the recent area we were just at in December, you're down 45% already. You've got incredible buying opportunities from there. If we come lower, you've got even better buying opportunities. And I think that a 30-cent Jasmy is possible. I think that a 50-cent Jasmy is possible in this bull market. Do you agree? Do you think that's possible? Do you think we could see Jasmy go to $1 even? I don't know. I'm curious what you guys think in this bull market, what Jasmy can do. I'm bullish. I think we're going to see a 30-cent Jasmy. I think we could see a 50-cent Jasmy. I'm curious what you guys think about $1 Jasmy. That's all I have for you in this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel. DCA, hold on my friends. And, of course, I'll see you in the next one. Nothing is financial advice. As always, I got 2 videos for you right here. If you want to check them out, I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Peace.